He wasn't just a singer. He wasn't just a dancer. He was a phenomenon. This is the journey of Michael Jackson, the king of pop. Our story begins in Gary, Indiana. On August 29, 1958, Michael Joseph Jackson was born into a large, working-class family, the eighth of 10 children. From a very young age, it was clear that Michael was different. At just 5 years old, while most kids were learning to tie their shoes, he was mastering his voice, his movements, and his stage presence. The world was about to witness something incredibly rare, raw, undeniable talent mixed with a touch of pure magic. His father, Joseph Jackson, a former musician himself, saw the potential in his sons and formed a group that would soon take the world by storm, the Jackson 5. With his older brothers, Michael became the heart and soul of the group. His voice, mature and soulful beyond his years, captivated audiences everywhere. Songs like ABC, I Want You Back, and I'll Be There weren't just hits, they were anthems for a generation. The Jackson 5 shot to international fame, and little Michael, with his infectious energy and incredible vocal range, became a household name. He was a child superstar, but even then, you could see the glint in his eye, a sign that this was only the beginning of a much grander journey. He wasn't just performing songs, he was telling stories, and his story was just getting started. But Michael wasn't content with just being a part of a group, even a wildly successful one. He dreamed bigger, louder, and bolder. He had a vision for himself that extended far beyond the confines of family fame. He wanted to break free, to explore his own artistic voice, and to create a sound that was uniquely his. This desire for creative independence was the fuel for his next chapter. In 1979, the world was introduced to a new Michael. With the release of his solo album, Off the Wall, everything changed. This wasn't the little kid from the Jackson 5 anymore. This was a confident, electric, and unstoppable young man. Produced by the legendary Quincy Jones, Off the Wall was a masterpiece of disco, pop, and soul. Tracks like Do and Stop, Till You Get Enough, and Rock With You dominated the charts and the dance floors. The album showcased Michael's incredible songwriting abilities and his evolution as a vocalist. It was a declaration of independence, a bold statement that he was ready to step into the spotlight alone. Off the Wall didn't just sell millions of copies. It redefined pop music, blending genres in a way no one had ever done before. It was the sound of an artist finding his wings, and he was about to soar higher than anyone could have imagined. If Off the Wall was the spark, what came next was the explosion. In 1982, Michael Jackson released an album that would not only define his career, but also change the music industry forever. That album was Thriller. It wasn't just a collection of songs. It was a cultural event, from the infectious beat of Billy Jean to the rock-infused power of Beat It. Every track was a hit. Thriller went on to become the best-selling album of all time, a record it still holds today. But Michael's genius didn't stop with the music. He revolutionized the music video, transforming it from a simple promotional tool into a cinematic art form. The 14-minute short film for Thriller was a groundbreaking spectacle that captivated the entire world. And then there was the dance. On the Motown 25 television special, Michael debuted a move that seemed to defy gravity, the moonwalk. In that one moment, he became not just a singer, but a dance icon for the ages. His style was just as influential. The single sparkling glove, the red leather jacket, the high water pants, they weren't just fashion choices, they were statements. Michael Jackson didn't follow trends, he created them. At the 1984 Grammy Awards, he took home a record-breaking 8 awards in a single night. His global tour sold out stadiums in minutes. He had reached the pinnacle of success. His legacy as the one and only king of pop was sealed in history. But fame on that level comes at a cost. Behind the glittery glove and the dazzling smile was a lonely soul. The immense pressure of being the most famous person on the planet took its toll. Michael lived his life under a microscope, with every move scrutinized by the media and the public. He craved the normal childhood he never had, building his own private world at Neverland Ranch to reclaim a piece of that lost innocence. However, his life became a whirlwind of controversies, relentless media trials, and health struggles. The spotlight that had made him a star now cast a dark and isolating shadow. Despite the immense pain and scrutiny he faced, Michael's response was consistently one of love, compassion, and a desire to make the world a better place. He was one of the greatest humanitarians in the music industry. He donated millions of dollars to charities, especially those focused on helping children in need. His songs, like Heal the World and We Are the World, were not just chart toppers. They were powerful calls to action, urging humanity to come together in unity and peace. He truly believed in the power of music to heal, and he used his unparalleled platform to spread a message of hope, love, and understanding, even when he himself was in the midst of turmoil. On June 25, 2009, the world stood still. The news of Michael Jackson's passing sent shockwaves across the globe. An outpouring of grief and love came from every corner of the earth, a testament to the profound impact he had on billions of lives. But legends like Michael don't truly die. Their spirit and their art transform into eternity. Today, his influence is as powerful as ever. You see it in the dance moves of today's biggest stars. You hear it in the pop, R&B, and hip-hop music that he helped shape. You feel it in the timeless message of his songs. Michael Jackson remains arguably the most influential artist of all time. He broke down racial barriers on MTV, redefined what it means to be a global superstar, and created a body of work that continues to inspire and move people of all ages and backgrounds. His music lives on, his dance lives on, and most importantly, his message of love and healing lives on. He taught us that with a little bit of stardust and a lot of heart, you can truly change the world. His legacy is immortal, a permanent fixture in the soundtrack of our lives. If you believe in the power of dreams, if you believe in following your passion against all odds, then you believe in the spirit of Michael Jackson. He showed us what is possible when talent meets determination and imagination. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life of a legend. If Michael's music has touched your life, let us know. Like, share, and comment with your favorite MJ song down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories about the icons who shaped our world.